When do I lock my interest rate? Is the interest rate I'm quoted at pre-approval or see online, is that the interest rate I'll get on my mortgage? The answer is no. You really aren't locking into your interest rate until you have an accepted offer on the house, because at that point, we don't know what will your purchase price be, how much will you for sure put down, and when are you going to close. There are some different loan programs where you can do long-term locks or lock your loan ahead of maybe having an accepted offer. These are more specialty programs and do cost more money up front. So 99% of the time, people end up waiting until they have an accepted offer, and then we start to watch the market and figure out the best time to lock your interest rate. Where you'll save the most money is not shopping around from lender to lender, but really working with a lender who knows how to watch the market, understand what days are going to flux based off of economic reports that are coming out to make sure that they're locking you in at the best point in time. In a 30-day window, we can see a ton of fluctuation in a mortgage interest rate. So it is imperative that we lock you in at the best possible time and not just the day we got an accepted offer or the day your lender wasn't busy enough and was able to lock you in the interest rate. They really have to know what they're doing and understand the logic and strategy behind it.